We shall see. Just a little video. There's some drinks and a cracker. Paul's busy hoovering. He's a busy boy and he's not very well. And I'm getting better. This one tickled us. His little hat. That's Paul choking. Get a sentimental feeling when you hear. Look, his hat, man. Paul's plugging the hoover in, look. So anyway, the table's set. That's the hoover on. Oh dear. So, excuse me, Bob Fleming. Apart from, God, I look like death still. Death on two legs, you're tearing me apart. Paul's little crib, man. How special is that? Christmas Eve box. Lots of memories in there. I can't get it. Oh, I could paint my nails, couldn't I, now I'm off work? Who knows? Who knows? But anyway, Christmas Eve tomorrow. Hopefully we'll feel semi-normal. As you can see, Paul's been putting new batteries in, so things aren't in quite the correct place, but that's just because I'm a pain in the bum. Which we all know. And the beast. It's not a beast, it's a beauty. So, oh hang on, I'll come round this way. And I'll show you one of these beautiful cakes she's made for Paul. I don't eat Christmas cake, but I do appreciate Christmas cake. So there you go. Thank you very much, Mandy Bays. Much appreciated. I'm sure Paul will enjoy it very much, along with his Christmas pudding that he's fed with alcohol in abundance. I'll put this back on top. So yeah, that's about it. I shall turn the lights off now. Shalom, not quite shalom, because I'm going to do a video of Paul hoovering. Very dark in here. So, yeah. Oh, he's put the bloody nativity in with the sweets. This is Paul doing the shaking back and putting the freshness back. He does the shaking. Oh, he's even gone under the rug for the fire. He's good. Little tree, Arthur, done up for crimbo as always. Nibbles! Little nibbles. And I'll just show you the turkey and beef before, because you'll be seeing them, well, we will be videoing them tomorrow as we do them. Ah, bollocks. And look, here endeth this video. A glass of wine in the fridge. I open it, it's fell out all over the shop. So, there's the turkey, there's the beef, there's wet feet. Oh bugger.